Leave them alone. Hello guys, this is Yundel again. Today, I want to share with you some thoughts. Leave them alone. Guys, as I go along in this life journey, I learn a lot. I experience a lot of things which I want to share you today. Leave them alone. Yes, there are many people around us, friends and family. They are there because we love them. We are surrounded by family and friends most of the time. Guys, as we go along in this life journey, we sometimes want that others will change. Never ever compel to others to change, because we are individual. You are unique and the other person is unique as well, and they have their own thoughts and opinions how they live their life. We are all human. We love them. We want to serve them. But at the same times, many times, we want them to do the things we want to do. We want them to be with us, to join what we are doing. We teach them, we invite them, we encourage them to do what we want. But leave them alone, guys, because each and everyone have their own wishes, goals, and dreams in life. Yes, we want to encourage them. Yes, we want to motivate them. But that is enough. We must continue our own life journey alone. As what Oprah Winfrey said, run your own race. Yes, we must run our own race. Life journey is a race. Each and every one of us have path to follow. It's not always easy, never easy, the path of life. But guys, leave them alone. We love them, we care for them, but let them grow in their own tempo, in their own time. We are there to support them. Just continue to support them as you continue your life journey as well. You want something which is not the same what they like. So again, it is all about respect, acceptance with each other. When we love the person, family and friends, we must accept them, we must love them, and we must respect what they want in their life. It is not easy because sometimes we want them to do the thing which is best for them. But guys, remember, what you think is best, maybe it is not best for them. Because we are unique. We have our own thoughts, hearts to follow what they want to do in life. Yes, I tried that with some of my family members, but it doesn't work, guys. It doesn't work. We must respect them, what they want, what is their wishes, what is their journey in life. Life is a journey. We can guide them, we can encourage them, we can motivate them, but at the end of the day, they have to run their own race as well. So guys, as we go in this life journey, we must continue to be a model, to be an example to them. For example, you want them to do the thing you want them to be because you think it is best for this person, it is best for my child or your niece or nephew. No, guys. You have to run your own race. You have to be a model to them. What you are sharing to them that you want them to follow, just show it to them. Do the best you can. Be a model to them that it is good. The result in this is good. We must run our own race. and we can guide them, we can inspire them, we can talk to them. But at the end of the day, it is their decision. It is their life. They have to run their own race as well. Be respectful. Listen. It is very important, guys, but sometimes because of our culture in the Philippines, for example, the adults like that the younger ones will listen to them. No, it doesn't matter if your child is child and you are older than them. It is not necessary that they are going to follow what you want. It is about respect. Here in Norway, as we live, I cannot decide for my children. I cannot let my children to be a doctor, to be a lawyer, or whatever it is I want them to be. No. You have to talk with them, listen to them, and be an example to them. What you want them to be an example to them. Share them your ideas. But at the end of the day, it is their life, it is their decision. All we can do as a parents, embrace them, accept them, and love them as they are. So guys, never ever change someone even if it is your child. Yes, we want them to change because we want them the best version of themselves. But guys, even if it is your children, they have their own thoughts, they have their own plans to follow. Here in Norway, it's very important that we must respect our children. In the Philippines, it's so busy that we are going to respect our parents. We are going to follow our parents. We are going to listen our parents. That is all good. But here in Norway, it's two ways. If you want your children to follow you, then you must listen and respect them as well. We cannot change our children because they are born that way. I am born this way. I have my own personality. As well as our children, they have their own personality in life, which they are going to live throughout life, throughout their life journey. So all we can do, guys, be an example to your children. Be an example to your friends who wants to follow you, you want them to be with you, you want them to do the same as you do. Be an example to them. Be noble of yourself to them so they can see you, they can model you, they believe you, and they want to follow you and listen what you have to advise to them. Never ever compel to change other people, because each and every one of us, we have our own personality. We are created by God in a special way. So each and every one of us is not the same. Yes, maybe mother, father, and children, maybe they are look alike, but not the character of a person, but not the personality of a person. As a parents, we must show them what is best for them. We can show them, we can advise them, we can talk to them. But we must always remember, it's their life. It is their own race. So we have to be aware with that, acknowledge them, respect them, that we are there for them every day. Because guys, this is also about love. If you love somebody, there is always acceptance, and love goes along with it. So guys, I know it is not easy as a parents because we want them to be the best version of themselves. But it is not always easy. Again, we must calm down. Try to be broad-minded that we cannot change anybody. You can advise the person, you can show the person what is the best thing he can do with his problem, he can do with the situation. But at the end of the day, they are entitled of their own opinion and plans for their life. So, guys, there it is. We must be a model, a noble person. So they can look at you that I want to be that kind of person. I want to be like her. I want to be like him. But even though, guys, they're going to follow us, they have their own style, they have their own unique way, motives to do it. Because we are not the same. Each and every one of us, created by God, equally, but we have different kinds of personality and character to each person. So guys, I hope you understand it. Try to be broad-minded. If you love this person, never compel to change this person. Instead, be a model of yourself. Be noble. So they can look at you that is the person I wanna be. But again, they have their own style. They have to do in their own special way. Guys, if you like my message, kindly click the like button and the notification button so you are notified every time I am uploading a video. So guys, this is my life journey. I am sharing with you what I am reading, what I am feeling every day. Today, I feel bitter, but still it's cloudy and I am here by the lake. This is my favorite place in my place here because I can have my own thoughts. With the sound of the waves, I can relax and I can create new thoughts to move forward to my journey, to plan my life as I want to be. So guys, I am not perfect. I am just a human being. I have my own flaws. But I hope you understand what I mean. I am sharing with you some ideas just to enlighten your day that we can never ever change anybody. So guys, again, this is Yundel and I thank you so much for following me. Thank you for supporting my channel. I am so very grateful to each and every one of you who visited my channel every day. So guys, thank you so much. I am forever grateful to you that you are here with me. I love you. I really love you. So thank you so much for all your love and support. Bye.